When your Voltas AC remote stops working, the most common culprit is dead or weak batteries. This accounts for about 80% of remote control problems. Replace batteries with fresh, high-quality ones. Always check the polarity markings. The plus and minus symbols must match the battery compartment indicators. Next, check for obstructions. Your remote uses infrared signals that need a clear, direct path to the AC unit. The remote communicates through infrared light, which can be blocked by objects, dust, or even tape, as shown in this diagram. Remove any objects between the remote and AC unit. Clean both the remote's infrared sensor and the AC's receiver with a soft, dry cloth. Some remotes have a lock feature that prevents accidental button presses. Look for a lock symbol on the display. If you see a lock icon like this one, your remote is locked. This is a common issue that many users overlook. To unlock the remote, press and hold both the temperature up and temperature down buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. Finally, if none of these steps work, try resetting the remote completely. There are 2 ways to reset your remote. First, look for a small reset button or pinhole on the back of the remote. Press and hold the reset button for 3 to 10 seconds using a pin or toothpick. Alternatively, remove the batteries, wait a few seconds, then reinsert them. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most remote control issues. If your remote still doesn't work after trying all these solutions, the problem may require more advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting didn't solve your Voltas AC remote problem, we need to examine more advanced issues. The most common culprit is dirty sensors. Dirt or dust on the remote's infrared sensor or the AC unit's receiver can block the signal. Clean both sensors with a soft, dry cloth. You can test if your remote's infrared LED is working using your smartphone camera. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. If you see a flashing light on your phone screen, the remote's infrared LED is working. No light means the LED might be broken and needs replacement. Sometimes the remote loses its pairing with the AC unit. This requires resetting and repairing the remote according to your user manual instructions. Blinking lights or error codes like E2 on your AC unit indicate specific problems such as dirty air filters, electrical issues, or refrigerant problems. If none of these advanced troubleshooting steps resolve the issue, it's time to contact Voltas customer support or a qualified technician for professional assistance.